Mike Capel here, Patriot Software's founder. Before starting my first business, I had hobbies like snow skiing. Mike Capel here.
There we go. Is that better? You guys can hear me now? All right. I am so sorry. I'm sitting here talking to myself. Nobody can hear me. All right, guys, quick recap. The pin post has a Google document. Please go there and fill it out if you want to participate in the duck races. We are going to race some ducks today. First, I am picking the YouTube cash prize winners. I won at the casino. Grandma has been hitting big at the casino this month. We're giving some of that money. We're going to play it forward. We just picked our first $250 cash winner. I'm going to pick one more $250 cash winner, and then I'm going to pick a $500 winner. Also, we are going to pick on Tuesday another $1,000 worth of winners. If you are not following me on X, you want to go there and participate. All right, let's see if we got our winner here. Trying to do 2 platforms at once is definitely going to be a problem. Let's see. All right, we got a goat. That is a good one there. So I'm doing 2 things here. One, I'm going to pick the winners for the Discord giveaway. We are doing a cash giveaway. We're giving away 2 $250 prizes and 1 $500 prize. If you're on the Discord, you know what I'm talking about. We're going to pick them live today on the Discord. Then when we're done, we're going to raise some ducks for you YouTubers to participate in some giveaways. I was going to do this on the Discord live, but I can't be in 2 channels at once. And I thought it would be fun to do it on YouTube. I haven't been on a YouTube live in a while. Hi, I see Nigel has no sound. Can you guys hear me? All right, it looks like Trading with Nami is our next winner. All right, perfect. So if your name is selected in the Discord for a win, you have 20 seconds to claim it. We do that so that people with multiple accounts who cheat can't switch profiles. That is the reason for that rule. Your YouTube name can be different than the Discord. You're going to connect your YouTube in the Discord to claim if you win, so that you can be verified. What in the world is happening here? We seem to have a wheel malfunction. That happens when they all react to the wheel. I don't know, it jacks it up. Yes, previous Discord winners can still participate on YouTube. I just want to pick these cash winners on the Discord, and then we're going to hit the duck races. All right, there we go. We got a $250 winner here. 20 seconds to claim. They are here. Good to go. All right, so we're going to do our next $250 cash winner. Hopefully this can go smoothly this time. Yeah, if your YouTube is connected to the Discord, that's all. We just want to make, we're just trying to, there's a lot of scammers when you do giveaways, unfortunately, so that's the reason for the rules. All right, we got our second $250 winner. And we have our final winner. It's going to be for $500 cash money. I'm spreading that casino money around, guys. Like I said, I'm also going to pick $1,000 of giveaway money on my X. If you are on X, definitely want to go and enter that one. All right. All right, so we have our 3 winners for the Discord. That was actually pretty painless today. All right, so let me see. We have 130 responses. I am going to pull a list. We are going to get into the duck races. And here comes the code drop for you guys, Lucid Flex. If you see a question mark, it means you have to guess the capital letter in that code. It's a little bit of a scavenger hunt for you guys. And let's bring our duck race over. Can you guys see that? All right, I am creating a list of names for you guys. We are going to start our duck races. I didn't announce this live, so there are only about 130. We're going to do 25, let's do 30. No, we'll do 25-second duck races. That'll work. Spence, there is a Google, and is everybody here in the, has put their information in the Google Doc to get a duck today? The Google Doc is pinned up at the comment at the top. I'm going to drop the link right here, and I will give you another 2 minutes to make sure you enter that. Get your name on the Google form right there, guys, and you will have a duck. I'll give you a couple more minutes before I shut it down and we start doing these races. Yeah, that code's probably gone by now. If you're new here and you're not in the Discord, I drop codes in the Discord all the time, so everyone knows what to do. But if you guys are new, I drop a code and I take out one letter, I put a question mark in it, so you have to figure it out. It slows it down and gives a little bit of a fair chance for everyone. And we don't have to worry about these code bots. Slowpokes entering. Of course, of course. So I'm going to do some duck races and then I'll hang out if anybody has questions. One more minute to get in the duck races, guys. Get your name on the Google form. It's in the pinned comment above. I've got some earn to trade accounts. I've got some take profit accounts. We're going to do some Lucid. I have XFIFY accounts as well. I think we've given away, ooh, gosh, close to 209 things between cash prizes and accounts this month. Thank you, all deuces. Appreciate that. Yeah, I wasn't down with the bot stuff. I knew, well, first of all, I knew that there were people caught up in that bot ban that did not use a bot. I was not co-signing that for sure. But I'm really happy that was sorted out. I don't think it was meant to cause any harm. There really are a lot of scammers out in the prop space, and the props are constantly being targeted by that. So certainly understand they want to implement tech to protect themselves, but you know, we got to get it right. And I think they did. So I'm happy those folks were restored. As far as I know, everyone has been paid. That makes me happy. TakeProfit is my favorite prop. I'm always trading them. All right, we are going to pull a new list now. I am going to turn off the entry form. Now we have 150. And we're just going to update that list really quickly. Oh my goodness. Somebody, guys,
bullish reversal.
Oh, damn it. I messed this up. Hold on. I think I did this last time. I should have asked for your Discord, your YouTube name, not your Discord name. So we are going to start over here. All right, sorry guys, we have to fill out a new Google form. Yeah, I see now. I didn't realize that I messed that. I'm used to doing this in the Discord. I'm sorry, guys. All right, so I just dropped a link for the new one. I am super sorry. But I don't have YouTube names for you guys to put on the ducks. My apologies. I always mess something up. You know that. So if your duck wins, I do need your YouTube name, not your Discord name. Sorry about that. And if your duck wins, you're just going to go into the Discord, connect your YouTube, and claim your account. YouTube Live has commercials? I did not know that either. YouTube name, please. I changed it. I just need your YouTube name. All right, so the rules for the duck races are, if your duck wins, you have 30 seconds in the chat with all caps so I can see you. It's going to go fast. This chat is going to get moving. Just say, I am here. Again, that rule is so that people can't cheat, enter multiple accounts, and switch accounts to claim their prizes. We do it quick. If you do not get claim your win in 30 seconds, I am just gonna pick someone else. We're gonna race again. Zil from Finland, no worries. Some of the prop firms require you that you are registered under an affiliate to claim a giveaway account, but we're not doing any of those kinds of accounts today, so we're good to go. I said I've got Lucid, I've got some TakeProfit, Earn to Trade, and XIFY accounts to give away today. Oh gosh, I am so scatterbrained. You guys know. You already know. I'm always late and I'm scatterbrained. Fixie, that's a good one. Yeah, maybe I'll start calling them Fixie. I don't know, that's really like a tongue twister, that name. FX Iffy. Love it. Thank you, Zil from Finland. I appreciate you. YouTube is full of cheaters. So is Discord. So is every platform. Cheaters are going to cheat. You know, no, I mean, I hate to be that kind of person. I mean, sometimes there's just desperate people out here who, you know, are just trying, right? They don't really want to be a cheater, but they're desperate folks. No, I do not have a code for Blue Guardian. I think they are a scam. I will not be getting a code there. Definitely don't recommend that prop firm. $50 for a tank full of gas for a lawnmower? That's crazy. I see. I'm on Top Chat. Thank you. Someday I'm going to learn how to do this. There we go. All right, 2 more minutes, guys. I'm going to get this going. Here is the Google form link for you guys. 2 minutes to get your name in the duck races. Let me see how many we have. 138. We're missing some. We had 100, almost 150 on the other one. If you entered the old list, you need to enter the new list. Let's go, ladies. There's not enough lady traders out here. I do feel like there's more every day. I'm seeing more. And that's awesome. I think trading is like a great opportunity, especially for like stay-at-home moms. Want to make our own money and you need to do it in a nap time. That works. No spam in the chat, please. Appreciate that. All right, 1 minute. Let's go, guys. We are back up to 149. And I am going to get this list right now. Oh yeah, Michelle, it is definitely going to be a long spring break. I'm going away. We're taking a break. Lucid just dropped some changes. Are they doing a town hall? I love AJ. I saw that they're going to raise their prices for the Flex, and it looks like they have some great new stuff coming. I love Lucid. All right, here we go. We got YouTube names. Good job, guys. Thank you so much for doing that again. I see a blank space. Somebody didn't put their YouTube name in. Alrighty, we're good to go here. I don't know who this blank space is. Unfortunately, you did not put your YouTube name in. Jace Spencer. I don't think it's a big deal that they're raising their prices a little. They're also changing the split from 80-20 to 90-10. So I'll pay, you know, it's like $9 extra. It's not that big of a deal. All right, are we set to go here? Let's raise some ducks. Yeah, I am listening to Tom Petty. Let me see what I've got going on here. All right, let's start off with the XFIFI accounts. I've got 50K accounts. We're going to do 2, so we'll do our first race for that 50K FXIFY account. And let's go. All right, I see Sivia. Trader 007. Justin King. Grandpa Vu is in the house. Alright, we got Ray Harding 1402 is our first winner. Please pop up in the chat. I am here, all caps, so I can see you. You got 30 seconds. I see you, sir. Alright, I am posting the winners in the Discord for you guys. I will drop a link to the Discord for you, and you just need to connect in there and claim your account, okay? Alright, we are going to do one more FXIFY account, 50K. Let's go. Alright, Grandpa Vu is still in the lead up there. Jay Jones. Epic Futures. Clarence. Isis is coming in there. Look at the little Batman duck. I love the little characters. They're so cute. Another pink duck. Oswaldo Rodriguez GP. You are up next. All caps in the chat. I am here, please. I see you, sir. Alright, next up we are going to do a $250 cash prize. That is our next duck race. Again, if you win, I need you to connect in the Discord. And I'm going to need your PayPal. Or you could do Amazon. That works too. I'm spreading that casino cash around. Let's go. Are you guys ready? Let's do it. Alright, I see Matt MT, Jagermeister, Sivia 7, Rage Against the Machines. That is one of my favorite bands. Solid Trader 7. Angry Bull's coming down at the bottom there. Miss Goody in the Donald Duck. Look at that. Look at that. Angry Bull. Angry Bull is our cash money winner. In the chat, all caps. Let me know if you are here, please. I see you, sir. Just open a ticket in the Discord. I'm going to need to know if you want PayPal or Amazon and your email for either one. Alrighty then, next up we have a 150K Take Profit Trader account for you guys. Those are my favorite. I'm trading 2 of them here. I've got a pro and an eval going. 150K Take Profits are my favorite. Alrighty, let's go. Very funny, Paul. All right, we got Alley Cat in the lead here with the Little Mermaid duck. Michael JF67 looks like second. Ooh. Yahoo 93. Neil. Trade current. And that hard hat. Let's go. This is for 150K Take Profit Trader account. All caps in the chat so I can see you, please. Let us know if you are here. I see you. I see you. Look, see, he knows how to get noticed. He wasn't missing his prize. Love it. Alright, what should we do next? Alright, let's do a 50K Trader Career Path Earn to Trade account. I love this prop. This is a good one. You guys ready? Let's do it. I see Jackpot High in the bottom here. Jimmy D'Souza. JC 3%er in the little unicorn duck there. Rage Against the Machines is coming in hot too. We got Cash up here and a reindeer duck. Looks like it's going to take the lead here. There is Cash. For that 50K Trader Career Path Earn to Trade account. All caps in the chat so I can see you, please. You got 30 seconds. Ten seconds for Cash. 5 seconds. I see you. All right, I see we have some new folks here. I saw someone new here. Hold on a second. If you are here and you are new, you did not enter your name on the Google form for duck races, please let me know. I can add a couple folks here. Cash Pete, I got you already. Remember, you are going to have to connect your your YouTube to the Discord so we can verify you are the real winner. Alrighty then. Let me get these folks in here. Give me 1 second, guys. I want to try to include everyone who's here. I'm doing my best to see you all. One more minute, we will get back going here. I still have a whole bunch of stuff to give you guys. Electric Beauty, if you entered the Google form, you're already on the list. Alrighty, I think I got you all. Let's go. I see you, Elmi. Alright, last one. All right, what are we going to do next? All right, let's do another earn to trade. We'll do another 50K earn to trade. That's a trader career path. Let's go. All right, we got Jeffrey 68, Natish KMO. Neo is in the lead down here at the bottom. I see Caveman 787. Alrighty, what's happening here? Look at the grandma duck. That's so cute. Trader's Nest. Trader's Nest is our next winner. That is for a 50K trader career path at Earn to Trade. All caps in the chat. Please let us know if you are here. I see you, sir. If you are a winner, please open a ticket in the Discord.
Bearish reversal.
You're going to need to verify your YouTube that way. Earn to Trade doesn't have activations fees. They do have a data fee, but you don't have to pay it until you get a payout. So you're good to go there. I think we're going to do another $250 cash prize. Let's do that next. Some of these names, man. I see Bernadette in the front here. Clarence, Lazarus, Laleza coming out hot here. Drader 22, next trade Lou. Can't Rex looks like he's going to take this one. Oh my gosh, it's a close one. Can't Rex is our next winner. $250 cash via PayPal or Amazon only. Don't do crypto, guys. All caps in the chat so I can see you. Please let me know you're here. You have 30 seconds. I see you. All right, we're going to do a couple more. Let me see, what are we going to do next? I don't know. What do you think about a Lucid? Or how about I just do a code drop? There we go. Lucid 25K Pro account code for you guys. Good luck. Fastest one wins. Remember, the question mark means you have to replace it with the correct capital letter. You're going to have to guess. And let us know who gets it. We like to know. All right, how about we do our next duck race for a 25K Lucid Pro account? I know you guys like those little 25K Pro accounts. Let's do it. Hi, Trunks. Welcome. All right, I see Epic Futures. Niche Dictionary. Mohammed is up at the top there. I can't see the full names. I'm guessing here. iTrade in the lead with the red duck. Let's get it. Ooh, we got a new winner at the bottom here. Same idea is our next winner. winner. This is for a 25K Lucid Pro account. All caps in the chat. Please let me know if you are here. You have 30 seconds. I see you, sir. All right, how about we do a 25K take profit account next? Let's do it. And let's go. We got a 25K take profit trader account. We got Big M 241 in the lead right now. I see Wilson 39T. I can't read the rest. Oh, what's going on? 𝐟𝐨𝐫𝐬s is up there at the top.
Bearish reversal.
Oh, it looks like Adam 5071 is our next winner. This is for a 25K take profit trader. I will post a link to the Discord for you guys in a few minutes. But we're looking for Adam 5071. You get 30 seconds. All caps in the chat. Let us know if you are here, please. I see you. I am very impressed so far. Everyone has been here. Good job, guys. All right, what else do we want to do here? Let's do some Lucid. How about a 50K flex? Well, you're up next with a 50K flex account. Let's go. The Dracula duck was cute. I love the little characters. We got Batman, Spider-Man, Rudolph. All right, we got Tang Tran, Jogglmeister. Joe Jones is coming in. We got Crypto Soul Child up at the top there with that Viking duck. It looks like he's going to just take this one. There we go. Crypto Soul Child. All caps in the chat. Please let me know if you are here. You have 30 seconds. I love me some Lucid too. Crypto Soul Child in the house. Are we going to have the first one who doesn't claim their prize in time? Uh-oh. 10 seconds. Yes, let us know if you got the code drop, guys. I see you. I see you. All right, we're going to do one more race. Last one, because I've got to get my kiddo ready for school tomorrow. Let me get you the link to the Discord really quickly. What in the world? Oh, that scared the hell out of me. Hopefully it's not a tornado. Alright, there is the Discord link for you guys. I will pin that one if I can catch it. I just realized I'm dropping the codes in the damn... Oh gosh, I am such an airhead sometimes. I'm giving you guys the full code in the video if you've paid attention. It wasn't an Amber Alert. I forgot you guys can see what I'm typing. All right. we're going to do a $500 cash prize. Last one. It's our last duck race. You guys ready? Yeah, I'm getting smoother on the duck races. We're not doing the wheel spins today, so. But I have to get going soon, so we're going to do this grand finale duck race. Plus, I'm running low on accounts here. We got to wait till next month, and we got to re-up. I gave away a lot of stuff. All right, let's go. You guys want to do a Livewire giveaway? We can do one more. We'll do a Livewire duck race if somebody wants to participate in that. All right, Caveman 787 is in the lead. Moses D9331. BWAP QQQ at the bottom here. 714 Trader is going to take this one. 714 Trader. 30 seconds in the chat, all caps. Let me know if you were here, please. I see you, sir. $500 cash winner for you. So I have given away $1,000 in the Discord, $1,000 on YouTube, and I'm doing $1,000 on X. Spreading my casino wins. Trying to play it forward a little bit for you guys. Hopefully it helps someone. Congrats to all the winners. We're going to do one final race. We'll do it for a lifetime Livewire license. How about that? If you don't know what Livewire is, they are our indicator tools. What you see on my charts here. I basically coded my charts. But we have some cool stuff coming from Livewire soon. Wait till you see our order panel. It is killer. But let's get this race done. This is going to be for a lifetime Livewire membership. We'll drop a link to the X post in a second for you guys. Let's go. All right, we got Dave Grant at the bottom, Mackie Max, Jay Jones, Caveman, Zoe. I see a bunch of Livewire members already. We got Ivan 000, who I think is already a member. Hop in the chat, Ivan. Let me know if you are already using that, or if you don't use Ninja, let me know. We will pick someone else. Ivan in the house. Ivan probably got the codes. You don't use Ninja. Alright, we'll pick someone else. Let's go. Ivan probably got them codes. He never sleeps on code. Alright, we got Clarence. OnGreen-com. Drader22 at the bottom. We got Can 1071. Who else is in here? We got Can 1071. That is going to be our last duck race. Can 1071 is the Livewire winner. You can open a ticket in the Discord to claim that. Let me get rid of this. I am dropping one more code for you guys. I'm not going to type it in while you're watching like a dummy this time. That is a 50K flex, not a 0K. Please let us know if you get the code. We love to know who wins. I really love to know when people get a free account and get a payout too. Crypto Soul Child, in the pin post is a link to the Discord. You're just going to go to the Discord, open a ticket. They will help you. If you won something in the duck races today, guys, congratulations. Thank you so much for subscribing and for hanging out with us here tonight on a Sunday. Just go into the Discord and open a ticket and someone will help you. You're just going to replace the question mark with the capital letter, but I'm going to tell you somebody's already got it. LSG, let's go. Code is gone. That thing was gone in a second. Adam, we do this all day long in the Discord. I am not as active as I should be on the YouTube. I am always saying I'm going to get better than that at that, but I'm just a busy person here. It's hard. Making content takes a lot of time. I'm going to try to do some more lives. Maybe try to get on live at least one day a week. But I can hang out with you guys for another couple minutes if anyone has questions. You need another link to Discord? Here is a link to my X post. There is a link to Discord there as well. I am going to be giving away another $1,000 on Tuesday, so you still have time to enter that one. I mean, I imagine they get it fast because they know by now. They're ready. They got their web browsers open. I do like to mess with you guys. I'll drop a Lucid code and then something else, so you're not. I try to make it a little difficult so it's fair. Everybody can get a turn. I think the code drops are fun. Little scavengers. Right now, Nigel, I'm trading two minis. I'm really trying to practice. I want to do the Robbins Cup, and I can't really get that done on micros. So I am trading two minis. However, that has been a problem in this wartime market. I have busted a whole bunch of accounts. Crypto Soul Child, just type in the chat. Somebody will help you. So anyway, I've decided to postpone that Robbins Cup competition. I'm going to do it the next quarter. Hopefully all this like conflict is chilled out because it is tough trading. I had a rough month. I don't know about you guys, but it hasn't been pretty. I mean, I'm really fortunate. I really did make up all my losses plus some on the casino wins, but you know, ideally I should be making my money in the markets, but you know, that's just the reality of trading. You can't win all the time. You're going to have some red months, hopefully not many, but you know, over time, if you're using good risk management, you will be profitable. But last week particularly, I got wrecked. Now I was, you know, I just had this surgery and I've been a little miserable, you know, a little in pain. So, you know, some of that could have affected my trading. I was definitely irritated about losing my account. So I could have been doing a little rage trading. I'm going to put myself on a little timeout here. It really has been, Cody. And it's definitely been tricky. I feel like, well, I mean, we've been sideways on the daily. We just kind of broke down. I can see we made the measured move. It looks like we're going to start going up now, hopefully. That at least looks like what's going to happen to me. I mean, we gapped down on the open here. Hopefully we're going to come up and fill that. But again, my issue is that I'm trying to practice for this Robbins Cup. I have to trade my own money in this account. So I'm trying to do it on two minis. And too minis in this market, it can be, you know, a couple losses, is especially when you're on like trailing, it can be brutal. So right now I only have 3 prop accounts. I've got 2 take profits, and I just passed a Humble Futures eval. That's all I've got. I'm trading my own live account. So if you're struggling out there, you are not alone. I'm going to say there's a lot of us trying to adapt to, you know, this is my first time trading in any kind of like war conflict. Yeah, I feel like it's really different than the Ukraine stuff. Like, I don't feel like the Ukraine
bullish
conflict
reversal
was this wild. You know, I guess maybe it's just Trump's the difference. You never know what he's going to say, right? Rallying on Mondays and dumping the rest of the week. I'll have to look. I mean, here's the daily. You can see we've really been sideways. You know, the daily was raging up. We're on our 3rd leg down. We should make a new high. I mean, if the pattern plays out like it should, that is what should happen. So let's see. Maybe we start moving up now. I'll be looking for a reversal bar on the daily before I really trust a long, though. But the candles, the wicks have been so big. You know, it's like 400-point pullbacks is tough to trade with 2 minis. You really have to scout. Yeah, I mean, listen, trading micros is the way to go, especially in this market. Again, I'm trading 2 minis because I'm trying to prepare myself for that competition. And I'm not going to get it done on micros. You know, will I be profitable on micros? Yes. But will I win? Absolutely no. And there really isn't any point in doing something like that unless you at least try to win, right? So I'm going to definitely do it the next quarter. We'll see. Hopefully, you know, all this stuff is done. You know, we're coming into summer soon, so things may calm down. That is hopeful. It's been rallying. What is that, a strategy? Go long when Trump tweets? I can see it. I can see it. Yeah, you're better off, Adam. Honestly, stick to micros. You're going to get paid faster. I'm not trading, John. I don't trade Asia. Although, I bet you it's probably better to trade Asia than New York, at least last week. 25K Pro and 50K Flex account still there. For the code drops, I'm certain they're not. Somebody has claimed those accounts. I agree, Caveman. I agree. So obviously what I need to do is practice on minis on my sim account, not my real accounts. So I'm going to get back to micros on my prop accounts for sure. I'm not going to be busting any more of those. You know, really in this market, two to three micros is probably the limit for me on a 150K account. I mean, you don't need to make a ton every day. You don't have to make your money in one trade, but you can certainly make good money on 3 micros, even on one trade. Absolutely. Liddy, I like to be, you know, my daily target is anywhere, normally on micros, my daily target is anywhere from $300 to $500. So my max loss limit for the day, you know, is 6 to 8, and I'm out. It's not my day. It's just how it is. Trish, the funded side puts a little more pressure on you. You know, you have the opportunity to earn a payout, and that adds pressure. You know, you have to treat it just like everything else. You know, that's why I like to trade my evals separate from my funded accounts. I will trade evals pretty aggressively to get them done. Don't want to be messing up my funded accounts. 1 micro per trade. Yeah, I mean, you don't want to be taking a ton of trades on micros because the commissions are high. You know, I'm doing like 3, sometimes 5 micros. Not right now. I'm not going to go to 5, but 3 to 5 micros. And I take off profits along the way. I try to get a good runner. You know, 10 to 20 points for my first drop. And then, you know, I'm trying to get like 400 ticks on the rest. 44 to the Punisher. 80, thank you very much. You're very sweet. Yeah, but micros, you can't really be scalping micros for a couple ticks, guys. The commissions will kill you. You really want to hold them. When I trade evals, you know, like a 50k eval, for example, I'll put 1 mini on and just hold it for a couple $100 and be out for the day. You know, I'll give it a wide stop and just monitor it. You know, I'm always looking at the overall picture of the market, so I have a good understanding of what the general direction is. As long as you're trading with the trend, you're good to go. I don't take counter trend trades or anything like that. I just try to follow the trend and get my mini in, get my $300 to $400 so I can maintain consistency, and I pass them pretty consistently and pretty quickly. For the 150s, I'll do 2 or 3. Sometimes I'll trade up to 6 minis. Again, I want to get them done quickly. Ooh, that's tough. I like to follow the 15-minute bars. The best entries are going to come when you get a reversal bar. You'll see them on my chart here with the little U-turns. These are reversal bars. The market's going up. We get a bear close. I want to enter off of that bar, hopefully catch a runner. Same thing here on the up bars. I like to follow the overall trend, however, so I would just be taking the U-turns. And that's a free indicator on livewire.com. Excuse me, on livewire-indicators.com. This indicator is free for you to use. But the 15-minute bars are going to give you the best entries. I like the U-turns. And I use the WADA tool there. You know, I like to see that we have some momentum above the white line. But if you can see, you get a reversal bar, you almost always get a scalp, but sometimes you get a huge runner. So the 15-minute bar, reversal bars are really what I like to enter on. And once I get one, I come to my Rankos and I just look for pullback entries. Alright guys, it's getting late for me. Any questions before I hop off? I'm on vacation next week, so I'll only be around until Tuesday. Wanted to get the last giveaways in the month done today. I might drop a code or two, but I don't think we'll be doing any more major giveaways in the Discord this week. Certainly when I get back next week, we will kick off April giveaways. I don't plan to go to the casino anytime soon either. That's crazy. Like, I'm up like 47,000 for the month in the casino. That is insane. Alright guys, thank you so much for hanging out. I am going to hop off here. I hope you guys have a great week in the market. Trade safe. Hopefully it's a little calmer. Get you guys to payouts. Nobody told us who got the code drops. That kind of sucks. I like the Dragon Link and the Buffalo games. No cigarette smoke in the casino here. They don't let you smoke. Can I DM you some codes? No, probably not. Welcome, 𝐾𝐨𝐧'𝐿. Yes, you are late. I am sorry. You got one, Paul? Nice. Oh, they let us know in the Discord. Perfect. Yeah, I like the Buffalo games. I feel like that new Buffalo, like the cash drop one, that's hard to get the bonus on. Or when you get the bonus, it doesn't give you anything. I was like really shocked. You know what I got was, I got 4 of the wilds in a row. But it didn't give me a Buffalo. It gave me like a wolf and like a J and an A or something like that. That would have been a huge, huge jackpot if it was if I had a buffalo. See you, Adam. All right, guys, I am hopping off. Got to go get my boy ready for school. I will see you guys later. Good luck in the markets this week. See ya.